So, what do you think you'll do? How are you going to spend your life?
I'm not sure. But I do know. I'm gonna live every minute of it.
Figure out it like a big and shiny diamond that I can wave around and talk about it. Ruin the days if you give me color, I can never doubt it. Until death, I do. I see it, bye. This man is testing me. Help me, Lord. I need you to tell me.
Kaya ko pinasira mo. Thank you. We're now here in Siargao. Finally. Hi guys. Diretso na talaga to. From airport to Port del Carmen. Pupunta na tayo Sugba Lagoon. Let's go. Hi guys, so here, sakto lang namin naabutan yung Sugba Lagoon, and also we availed the Tour B option number 2, which is Sugba Lagoon and Pamamuan Beach. So 2,700 pesos siya, maximum of 6 packs, and then meron siyang per head na bayad, which is 50 pesos for local and 100 pesos for foreign. So hindi na kami nag-avail ng tour guide since alam naman na nila ate yung way around. Hi! Hi! So it started raining guys. Sumakto. Kasakay namin. So that's it. That's a wrap. That's a wrap guys. Thank you for watching. So yun, wala pa kami guys. Pero basang-basa na kami. Sobrang lakas ng ulan doon. So nandito kami sa mga mangrove. Welcome to Barangay Sugba Lagoon. So hindi kinaya I think ng setting spray ko no.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon! Welcome to Barangay Kaom, Sugba Lagoon, Siargao!
Gulay.
Picture mo muna ka na.
Game na?
We're moving on, we got no regrets. Oh, left, right, left. Oh, left, right, left. Oh, left, right.
Hi guys! So right now, nandito tayo sa Pagpapamoan Island. Let's go! Guys, it's so nice. White sand. Peaceful environment. Island life yarn. So nice. So nice. Wala masyadong tao din dito. Tapos meron silang parang restaurant. So you can order food. Pwede kayo mag-lunch dito. So I think kami ay magla-lunch kami dito. Ito yung restaurant niya guys. Ayan, may mga upuan. Ang ganda talaga ng sand. Look. So nice. So nice. What a paradise. So peaceful din. Maui, wow!
Waiting to be cool.
Hi guys, next destination is Magpupungko Rock Formation. Nandito na pala kami. How much is this?
Environmental fee,
Environmental fee is 120.
150.
150.
Hindi.
Thank you. And then parking fee, 50 pesos. So yeah. Banana. Tastes like donuts. So, maganda daw pumunta dito ng low tide. So, dahil palubog ng araw, mag-high tide na. So, magandang puntahan na namin kaagad.
First time yung ba dito mo?
So, yun. Rock formation siya, guys. And medyo madaming tao. Actually, madami talagang tao pala. Hindi kami dun sa Magpupungko Rock. Alam ko Magpupungko means nakapatong. So, titignan natin yung bato na nakapatong. Is daming tao. And, ayun yung rock na nakapatong. Though, hindi siya nakikita ngayon. Kasi high tide na. Hindi na nakikita na nakapatong. Mukha na lang siyang nasa dagat. Lamig. It's so nice to swim here. Free diving. Trial mode. Me before free diving, training. Oh, kailangan ko nga ng training, guys.
Gutang lang tayo, no?
This is 250 pesos. Hindi dilaw 250 din. 250 din. 200 pesos. And 20 pesos for the rest.
Sa island natin yan, madami yan. Ito
Well, that was a long day. So, right now, nandito na tayo sa ating first Airbnb. So, original plan kasi talaga is 4 days lang. Pero, nag-extend tayo, kaya another Airbnb. And, apparently kasi hindi na to available nung na-decidean kong mag-extend. So, here's what it looks like. Pagkapasok ito na. Ganyan siya. Here are my gamits. Rekta lang siya, bed. So, yun. Very Siargao vibes. Ayun. May heater sila. Mirror. So, what I like about this place is may solar power sila. So, yun din kasi talaga yung pinaka-concern ko. Since mag-work from home ako dito sa stay ko sa Siargao. And, yeah. Meron din sila palang kitchen sa labas. Papakita ko na lang sa inyo later. And then, ayun. Mag-freshen up lang ako. Then, mag-dinner kami later. So, it's been a long day na. But, it's not finished yet. Pero, idlip muna. Tapos ko mag-freshen. So fun. So fun din. Hi guys! So right now, I'm working dito sa Airbnb. And here's my cozy corner. And ayun, wala tayong pinalampas na oras talaga. And I hope makatulog or makaidlip ako before another day starts. So 7 a.m. yung call time namin tomorrow. Tapos North Siargao tour naman yun. So it's officially day 2. And today magsisurfing tayo and magno-north tour. So very white, very casual. So yun, mag-surf tayo. And I hope matuto tayo. And it's so exciting to try new things. So let's see if para sa akin yung surfing. If not, pilitin natin. So yeah, let's go! Thank you. Hi guys, first stop of the day is Coconut View Deck. Yan siya. Pipicture lang tayo dito. Hi guys, here.
Oh, sige na.
I'm moving on, I got no regrets. So left, right, left. I said times are changing. Tell me how can I keep up? Every time I turn around, there's a wall.
I love Surigao!
After every fall, when you're broken hearted and you're lost,
Wait lang.
you gotta walk alone, that's true. Every smile
Gano to kuya?
Ito, bitching ko ma'am.
Ito.
15.
Nantra.
Parang balot lang. Sarap. Isa lang.
Suka.
Tuka. Tadada! Naman mo na mo agad sa resort ng ron para sa soon. Hindi ko dadala.
Sarap. Pwede lang!
Yan.
Ganda. Tapos kinain mo kayo na kuryente. Ay,
So, yung River Cruise Tour is 600 pesos. And then per head is 30 pesos. Nandito tayo sa Maasin River. And then 30 pesos per head yung bayad. Tapos yung boat, dahil magbo-boat kami, 600 pesos siya. Good for 3 packs. Let's go number 46 yung boat natin.
Ito rin. Oh, wala pa. Wala pa.
Introduce me to your best friend. I could come slow riding. A satellite ain't even that far. I kinda wonder where you are. Already know I can leave it on you. Oh my mind. Already gave you the time and the place, so don't be shy. Just come be the man I need. Tell me you got something to give.
Buwis buhay.
ma'am, ganda mo ma'am.
Doon kayo? Tapos bigas kay Nila. Yan. Dapat yan. Tapos pag nakatayo ka na, bago ka pa mag-bend. Bend, look forward ka.
Tatayo mo na.
Bend, ha? Sige, wala to. Sir, ma'am, example, ako instructor mo, di ba? Pag tinulak kita, tapos example, nakarides ka, abot ka doon. Siya yung taga-salo sa'yo, taga-kuha sa'yo. Para siya yung bumalik sa instructor. Para di ka na mag-body mabalik. Ha? May body na din, dalawa kayo.
Ano kayo? Lenak.
Sometimes in life it's hard to start all over. You thought you had it all, but you had nothing. But then you made up in your mind that the sun would never shine. Then the Lord, he stepped in right on time.
Behind the scene. Behind the scene.
Hi guys, so this is day 2. Sobrang dami na namang nangyari ngayon. And right now, nasa taas tayo ng Jimmy. Papakita ko sa inyo yung Little Hawaii nila dito. Let's go! Ayan, nandito na siya actually. Wow, 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 wow. Wow, 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 wow. So guys, dito may mga street foods pa sila dito sa gilid. So lagay nyo sa maps Little Hawaii. Ayun. Wow, 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 wow. It's so nice.
Oh, I've been hurting, baby. I'm down on all my luck. Sometimes it's
Ay, nagme-video ka.
inside. I don't deserve this, baby, but I know I can't give up. Sometimes I just take them in stride. I'm almost there, only one more step. Whoa, left, right, left, right, left. I'm moving on, I got no regrets. Whoa, left, right, left, right.
Hi guys, we're now here at Taktak Falls. So, may entrance fee sila na 50 pesos each per person. And then may bayad din yung parking, which is for 4 wheels, 50 pesos din.
Motorcycle, 30 pesos.
Motorcycle, 30 pesos. Oh, may OR naman sila guys. Hindi siya scam. Legit na may entrance fee siya. Yan, may mga chairs sila dito guys. May tindahan din doon. And pwede din mag-swim dito. May liguan din sa dinaanan namin. Wow. So to guys, malapit lang siya dun sa Little Hawaii. So yung naging ruta namin ngayon is parang ano siya, from pagod. So yung route namin this day is from General Luna, tapos nauna kami sa Maasin River, and then surf na pala nun kaagad. After Maasin, pumunta na kami sa insert name. No, nagbe-brain fog na ako. I need sleep. And then after nun, nagpunta kami dun sa insert name. Nakalimutan ko. Pero yun, pakita ko sa inyo yung Google Map. Here. Doggy! Hi, doggy! Hello! Sobrang tataba ng mga dogs dito. And ang babait nila.
Kaya kasi ito ang view na dito eh.
Hi guys! Panibagong adventure na naman ang ating tatahaki ngayon. For the $1 million view. Sabi ni Mama, mag-ingat daw ako. Tapos kung ano-ano, day 2 pa lang. Kung ano-ano ng mga adventure na tinatahak natin. La la la. Wow! Galing ni Lord. Ang galing ni Lord. Wow!